We're gonna start welding the spark plug holes. And if anybody wants to know, we got all our, as previously said in the videos, all our parts come from Berg Enterprise in Orange, California. Okay, today's video, we're going to start the spark plug removal, thread removal. What we're going to do is grind all the spark plugs out and check for cracks, grind out all the cracks, and put it in, take out the 14 millimeters and replace them with 12 millimeter spark plug holes. Like on this head, this one's got thread insert, and this one's got, it looks like a heel.